Kray Protection Unmanned Aerial System, a new word in agriculture. Farmers have been feeding the world for thousands of years. However, the population is growing fast. By 2050, food production will increase by 50%. Farmers will need to become more productive. Today, traditional crop protection application technologies become obsolete as they are too expensive and cause significant yield losses. That's why we created Kray Protection, the drone for agricultural spraying and plant nutrition. The drone's high operational efficiency allows farmers to reach up to 1,200 acres of coverage per day. Being able to work at a maximum speed of 70 miles per hour, its speed can be adjusted in order to enable precise application where needed. The drone flies steadily at a 1-meter altitude above the crop, addressing the problem of spray drift. Kray Protection Unmanned Aerial System flies in a fully automatic mode. Using an advanced computer vision system, the drone adjusts the height and trajectory of its movement according to the actual terrain and avoids any obstacles in its way. Kray Protection shrinks expenditures up to 1/10 of the cost required for crop dusting via aerial or ground application. It eliminates yield losses, which are inevitable when using planes or field sprayers. Further, by having the drone available 24/7, the owner is not bound by service operator availability in crucial moments. Order the pre-series of Kray Protection Unmanned Aerial System and enjoy the benefits of the most innovative self-driving solution for your field.
Enhancing crop protection is now as easy as pushing a button.